What's up YouTube, it's Sean with 614 Inc. Reviews and How-Tos, coming at you today with a quick vid on how to install a cabin air filter in a 2015 through 2020 Ford F150. This may or may not be the same operating procedure for newer or older models. I'm not sure on that one. However, I am positive that for the 15 through 20 models, this is the method that you're going to want to use. So first thing we've done is obviously open the glove box. This is a little bit more of a complicated procedure than some other Ford models that I've done this on. Only a couple extra steps, still something your average homeowner or garage mechanic is totally capable of doing on their own. And so the first thing you're going to want to do is obviously open the glove box. Once you have done that, we are going to remove this rubber trim piece. You don't have to worry about damaging it. You're just going to pry your fingers underneath, pop it right out. Once you have popped it out, and I've already done this to save a little bit of time, but there are two 7mm hex head bolts. You're just going to want to grab a socket with a 7mm bit on it or a 7mm nut driver and remove those two screws. Once you have done that, this plastic panel here with this DIN portion pops out. Now I want to make mention of the glove box door open sensor here. There is a wiring harness that is connected to this on the back side. So you don't want to go and pull as hard as you can and put some wear and tear on that wiring harness and possibly sever a electrical connection. So you do want to use the most minimal force possible while still removing this. There are a total of 7 push pins. There are 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7. So 2 on either side and 3 on the bottom. And so what I find is if you grab on the left and right sides and really give it a good tug, it'll come loose. And so once you have done that, you can reach your hand right back here on this right hand side where this pin is and make your electrical disconnection. Here is the sensor, here is the wiring harness. Nothing to it. Once you have done this, this is enough for you to go ahead and reach your hands back into the airbox portion where the air filter is actually located and remove the air filter. I'm going to shine a light on it now. That honeycomb portion is the airbox that houses the filter. There is an ear on the left side and the right side. All you have to do is pull the ear towards you, being very careful not to snap it. This is a little bit more durable than some others I have done in the past. But again, just on your left side and your right side, you want to pull those towards you and then remove the lid. Once you remove the lid, you can see right inside the housing there, and there's your filter. You just reach your arm in, grab your filter, pull it straight out, and there it is. That's how you remove cabin air filter on your 2015 through 2020 Ford F150. Obviously the installation process is just the exact reverse of what we just did. So I hope this helps you guys out. Thanks for watching.